Hey guys, Weird Man from the Weirded Man on Cycle. I'm here to introduce you to the cycling world at Decathlon new store at Piramal. Piramal, is it? So, this is a brand new store started by Decathlon. And आज आप देखते हैं कि साइकिलिंग में जाना है या साइकिल ऑलरेडी है, अपग्रेड करना है, एक्सेसरीज है, what you want to do with your cycle, you want to upgrade, you want to set a new one, you want to add new accessories, safety, comfort. We can all work on it and find everything here in one store. Let's talk about what Decathlon is all about. Decathlon is a store with 58, correct? Am I right? 58 sport type of sport equipment.
More than
apparent-
50.
More than 50. More than 50. So you can imagine how many sport you can get in one room. And either sub everything, equipment से लेके apparels है, shoes है, little tiny little things भी जो भी इसमें minutia भी चीज़ें होती है, जो छोटी भी चीज़ें और सब मिलेगी. Everything you get under one roof. You don't have to step out anywhere. And price range
Very affordable.
very affordable to the expert level, to the professional level. Everyone, you can get everything in one roof. So let's go in. Let's check out what is available in cycling. You are
My name is Dishan. I've been working at Decathlon for the past 2 weeks. I'm in the cycling department, part of the workshop and the layout team.
so he's going to introduce us to the cycle section of the store, and let's go. So we can see the stocks are in full swing. I don't think so you'll be having any trouble finding your accessories or your cycles. Everything is available in one roof. As you can see, accessories are in full. You have your helmets, you have your gloves, you have your bottles, you have your full range of bottles. Your bottle holders. And let's start with the cycle. So let's begin. Hello.
Hello.
So मुझे अभी I'm here to understand about cycling. भी अगर if I want to start cycling today, where do I begin? किधर शुरू करूँ? क्या करूँ? कौन सी साइकिल लेना है? कौन सी टाइप की साइकिल लेना है? आप मुझे थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे प्लीज.
So if you're an adult, it always depends on if you want a geared cycle or a non-geared cycle. We have both in plenty at Decathlon for single speed and geared cycles. In the geared cycles, we have the mountain bikes, the folding cycles, and the road bikes. So the folding bikes are ideally for commuting. Mountain bikes are for tougher terrain, probably even for Mumbai roads because they're much ideal. They give you 21 gears, an ideal combination for our potholed and stony roads that we have here.
Agreed.
The road bikes are for much flatter roads. If you want to gain some speed, थोड़ा तेज जाना है अच्छे रोड पे, तो फिर road bikes जो भी है. RC Triban 120 is a premium model of Decathlon. The Triban series is only road bikes. They have nice thin 28 millimeter tires, very thin. It's got 2 chain rings in the front and 6 gears at the back. Gives you a good combination of gears, and if you want to go fast on slopes, you can go fast on slopes as well. And the other side, we have the single speed gears, single speed cycles. So if you're new to cycling and you don't want the hassle of changing gears every time you're out on your cycle, we have the Rock Rider series, ST20 high frame, It's an ideal bike for a range of 10 kilometers. If you want to cycle in your building or around the block, this is the ideal cycle without any gears. It's got tough tires, it's got a steel frame, it's got sturdy handlebars and a great seat. Any accessories that you want to purchase at Decathlon, you will get those with your bike as well. Let me show you the accessories we have right now.
So I bought one cycle now.
Yeah.
Starting from, let's say I took a Triben. Now my work is commuting. मुझे जाना है रोज काम पे साइकिल पे. तो what are the basic accessories ज़रूरत?
So the most important thing in Bombay is, I would say from my point of view, the most important thing in Bombay is lights and a helmet. So in Decathlon we have a range of helmets. If you have a road cycle, then you would buy the Van Rysel model of helmets. These are primarily for road cycles, with added comfort inside, an adjustable system right here, and different colors. We have the black and the fluorescent, the neon yellow, which is ideal for visibility in Mumbai, in a city like Mumbai. And also, we have the lower versions of the Rock Rider. Rock Riders, these helmets are mostly for MTB cycles, but they can also be used for commuting. Very sturdy, double padded foam inside with an adjustable system right here.
Excellent.
And of course, we have different colors: white, red, and fluorescent.
Suit everyone, huh?
And it
किसी
suits
को भी
everyone.
कोई भी स्टाइल है मिल जाएगा.
Exactly, yeah.
And then अभी ज़्यादातर क्या लोग बोलते हैं कि यार मेरे पास इतना बजट नहीं है, लेकिन आप बोलते हो सेफ्टी के लिए हेलमेट तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. ग्रुप राइडिंग में हेलमेट कंपलसरी, और पीपल डू अवॉइड कि भाई नहीं जाना है, ग्रुप में नहीं जाते हैं क्योंकि हेलमेट से एक्सपेंसिव. तो ऑप्शन क्या है?
Helmets are expensive. Let me say this first by saying helmets are expensive because it is an investment on your safety of your head. So when you buy a helmet, you are buying safety. So when you fall, nothing happens to your head, and that's why researchers and developers have gone through that extra mile or extra effort in designing helmets for everyone. You can see this padded comfort, double foam and plastic inside. So when you have a serious fall, your head is protected, which is the most important part of your body. So helmets are always an investment. I know they are expensive, but at Decathlon we also have some affordable ranges of the Rock Rider. This is for about 900 rupees. It's very sturdy on the outside with
तो बिगिनर्स के लिए
beginners
चले.
this would be ideal and very perfect.
और आइडियली तो एक इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो तो अगर अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए, तो इट्स बेस्ट टू बाय समथिंग मोर स्टर्डियर, बट इफ द बजट डजंट परमिट तो एक 900 में भी हेलमेट अवेलेबल है, और ये भी काम करेगा, अपना सेफ्टी रहेगा. ये अपने अपने चॉइस पर है कि कितनी राइडिंग करते हो, कितने रश में जा रहे हो, और आपकी बिगिनिंग लेवल कितनी है, उसके हिसाब से आप यू कैन बाय, राइट?
Yeah. So it always, like the range of the helmets always depends on the distance you're traveling as well. So road cycles, you would go for the Van Rysel one. If you're a beginner, go for the Rock Rider base model.
And
the Rock Rider MTBs over here, the ones with the red, white and the fluorescent neon. If you're going for more than 50 kilometers on an MTB,
yes, it's best to get these.
yeah.
And it is no, and they're not expensive. They're like $1,200, not bad at all, yeah. And
People might
1,400.
think it is expensive, but I always counter the point by saying that helmets are an investment. Because
It's a life-saving investment.
it is cycling 101. You
Yes.
buy a cycle, okay, now what to buy next?
Helmet. Immediately.
Immediately. No bargains on no bargains on helmets.
Helmet. No bargains on life, I would say.
That's right.
So what else? अभी helmet हो गया, cycle आ गई. What else do I need to start with?
Obviously, you need a bell.
Lekin, can I tell you about something about these bells?
Yeah, sure.
And my favorite one that I'm using is the Indian version of Bhopu. As you can hear this is the perfect bell for Indian roads.
It is, yeah. If you want to be a mini BST bus, I think that is the perfect.
और या तो रिक्शा वाला उसको बोलता है कि भाई मैं पीछे हूँ, तो ये सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन है, and it is priced at 300. It is a very loud, as you can see, you can hear. quite loud and it can help in very tricky situations. कोई भी problem है, rush में है तो बचा सकता है. लेकिन और भी bells है जो in range of 200 से लेके what are the other 299 पे. It's a decent ranges. So bells आ गए. Great, excellent. And it has a message saying I love my bike. जो एक बार साइकिल पे चढ़ोगे, you will always love your bike. You'll never get off. Then let's get to lights.
So, in Bombay, I believe every cyclist should have lights on their bike, just like every other motor vehicle has lights. So the most important thing in cycling is visibility for you and to be seen by others as well.
Correct.
So these are rear lights. These have only a strobe mode and they run for 3 hours.
3 hours.
So you can attach
Rechargeable?
these. Yeah, these are rechargeable by USB, and these
USB
can be
से charge कर
attached
सकते हो.
anywhere on your bag or your bike.
Charging time कितना रहता है?
So this will take about 1 hour to charge.
And 3 hours of working.
3 hours of working time. So these are the intermediate ones. The beginner ones run on coin batteries.
Okay.
So these are just so these have a straight mode and a strobe mode. Strobe mode and beam mode.
And इसकी in one
So
battery
these the batteries last about 32 to 44 hours.
32 to 44 hours.
Yeah.
At one.
So as long, but my preference
Would be
these for rear visibility. But we also have a
also
higher
आप
model.
अगर calculate करो running cost में भी तो these would be more affordable because 500 रुपए में you are getting a rechargeable while these batteries cost about $50 which is 48
That's
hours.
right.
तो आप अगर running देखो तो then it is makes sense.
That's right. So you don't
Rechargeable
and plus then we have other lights. This is a combo pack. So you have a front light and a rear light. So both of these lights have different modes. This has a strobe mode as well. This has a low beam, high beam, and a strobe mode.
Strobe mode.
And obviously both of these are rechargeable.
Rechargeable.
USB
Excellent.
rechargeable.
So these are priced at about 1200.
1200. And the expert level, this is a 2-in-1 light, a cylindrical shaped light. So this has a strobe rear light. It has a front light on low beam and high beam. And it has a strobe mode as well.
Excellent. Yeah.
So these are an investment because they run for at least
Especially if
7
you're
hours,
if
8
you're going to
hours.
be riding in the
If you're
night.
going on a long touring ride.
No, even if you're commuting, you're returning back home from work,
Yeah.
you need lights. Lights is a must.
Visibility is the most important thing in cycling.
Yes,
after that.
agree. Then we have your
Then we have the locks. The most basic lock with the key. These are thin with metal inside with copper wires that are wound together. And then we have these ones which are a little thicker for more added security. And my favorite are these two combined together.
combined together.
This one
Okay.
is a D-lock. A D-lock, usually you just put it to your frame, and
Right.
if there's a cable, if there's a lamp post or anything, you can just add that.
Right.
Or you can put your tire and your frame together.
Together.
In the D-lock.
These are very secure.
Very secure. So every lock has a security rating of, a rating of 10.
Right.
This one is a 4x10, which is pretty sturdy.
Very sturdy.
And this one is a chain lock. This one is very difficult to beat.
Right,
For
right,
any thief, it would be very difficult because this goes straight in,
right.
and this mechanism over here is just hard as diamond.
Okay. Right. So now let's talk about kickstands.
So we have a different variety of kickstands that you would like to add to your bike. So these usually go on mountain bikes. These ones go on mountain bikes. These ones will go on any single speed bike that we have here, and you can pick and choose which one you like, and we can fit it for you once you purchase your cycle.
We have all range of kickstands starting from the. You also have
From
the center.
$499 to $699.
And these, I
These
would
are
say-
mud guards. mudguards help your cycle and your legs to be protected from the muck and the rain,
Which is very
during the
important in
monsoons
India.
in Bombay. And in Bombay,
I would not even say monsoons, because these days, because of the construction, there's a lot of water lying
That's
around
true.
on the road and all,
That's true.
and that kind of deters people in riding
This is a
cycles.
good investment for your cycle.
Starting range is again, like you see,
It's $4.99.
499 onwards.
These are seat cushions.
Seat cushions.
They go on your bike, on your saddle like this, and for added comfort on long rides or even short rides, these are perfect because
People who
This
have
thing
generally
is a-
trouble with sores and not comfortable with riding on cycle, this
That's
is a
right.
good bet.
And memory foam is a type of foam that remembers your posture, and once your bum is on the saddle, it'll remember it forever.
Excellent. So then it creates a added comfort while riding.
Exactly.
A good investment to start with, I guess.
Very great.
Especially for people who've never been on
Yeah.
cycle.
Yeah.
I just want to know about these. What are these then?
So these are ideally touring or city commuting saddles.
Commuting cycles.
Ergo Fit system. These are foam padded,
So they have a larger sitting area.
larger sitting area for your bum,
Yeah.
and very comfortable.
Very good.
Very comfortable.
And this is price range at
This is at $7.99.
799, which is brilliant. because-
Air pumps. So these are primarily for road cycling. This one you can carry in your bag anywhere you like. They have both the valves
Right.
for Schrader and Cresta for your mountain bike or for road bike. And we have foot pumps as well for your workshop or for home as well. And we have the expert pumps with the pressure gauges here to see how much PSI your tire needs.
Yes.
And two valve openers.
2 valve openers.
So yeah.
So it works with all. Again,
Works with all cycles.
price range starts with 599,
$5.99 and
goes on to
2000.
2000.
And coming to spare parts, we have a little bit of extra spare parts from tire levers. In case you have a puncture on the road, you can carry these with you in your pockets or your bag, and you can open your tire if ever
Need
you
to
have
carry.
a
But this
puncture.
would be for a later stage when you are a little bit more professional. at
Exactly,
it,
yeah.
Where you can actually maintain your cycles yourself.
That's true.
Correct.
And then we have other spare parts as well, like a mini toolkit over here for home use. And then we have the B-Twin mini toolkit with a set of Allen keys and a couple of screwdrivers to tighten all the bolts
Right.
and the nuts on your bike.
Basic necessary.
So
Excellent.
this costs $259. It's a good investment. In case any bolt comes loose on your bike, you can use this to tighten it.
Right. So let's talk about your Triben series. Tell me about them. What is special about it, and especially since the most interesting part is the price tag.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's at 1999, 20,000 bucks, I would say. Available in small, medium, and large, right? So tell me about this.
So the Triben series from Decathlon is a road cycling bike. We have different models of those. The Triben RC100 over here. This is a flat handlebar road bike. It comes with 7 gears and aluminium frame and 28mm tires. So these will give you extra speed on those flat roads. It's for a beginner road cyclist or for a fast commuter.
For a fast commuter, right. So it
If you
basically
want to get to work fast, use this bike, but you better have good roads.
good roads. That's the biggest problem of
Yeah.
any vehicles there.
Yeah.
And then we have
And then we have the RC120.
RC120.
The
This is for
RC120 is for professional road cyclists, the people who want to go above 30 kilometers an hour and
Right.
go the distance.
right.
They use the Triben RC120. The RC120 is equipped with a carbon fork.
Okay,
That's a carbon fork, an aluminium frame, and 25C tires or 25mm tires.
Yes.
Super fast. We have 2 chain rings in the front, 2 gears in the front, 8 at the back. So,
अगर थोड़ा प्रोफेशनल्स है तो ये जा सकते हैं, और if you want to start basic high speed riding तो you can go for the Triben 100 RC100 100.
इसमें भी हवा इसके
Okay. So और क्या है? Now let's talk about apparels.
So when you're going to start cycling, you always want to invest in cycling apparel. So you want to be comfortable on a bike. You don't want to wear jeans or you don't want to wear a cotton t-shirt or anything because that's not going to fit into your whole comfort zone. So what we suggest is you go for a pair of cycling gloves. So we have a different range starting from $299 all the way to $899. These ones, they don't have that much of a padding, but then the level of padding increases as the price increases.
As per the price increase and the level of you can say these are for beginners for more who are on budget जिस थोड़ा पैसे इधर कम करना है अभी तो उससे शुरू कर सकते हैं. Then we can go and spend more, little more and get a little more for comfort and protection. These are mountain biking.
These are mountain biking gloves. So the reason they are full sleeve is because these full sleeve gloves will help your hands to be protected against stray branches, and if you fall on the trail, your palms won't get bruised.
Then we have the neck warmers.
The neck warmers or balaclavas or scarves. So these are ideal for commuting or racing, or if you're going on a tour. You wear these as neck warmers, you can wear these as masks, you can wear these as scarves, you can wear them as sweat protectors or hair protectors against sweat inside your helmet.
They're very breathable, aren't they?
Very breathable as well, yeah. Very breathable. So these are arm warmers or arm protectors. So they can be used in hot temperatures as well as cool temperatures. They also protect your elbow if you ever have a fall.
And then we have our favorite COVID product.
Selection of masks. Pandemic's not over, so our masks are top quality for different weather. For warm mask, we have a double-threaded mask.
And then we have your
cycling apparel. So if you're a beginner cyclist, the Tri-Band series comes in two colors, the blue and the black. These are for beginner cyclists, ideal for warm weather. And they have only one pocket at the back for your essential, a wallet or a phone maybe. Very breathable material.
So this is you have available in all sizes?
Yes.
Starting from small to 2XL, I suppose, right?
2XL or double XL.
So then these also help a lot in riding. And then these are cycling shorts with.
So these are beginner cycling shorts. Mostly made out of lycra. Very expandable depending on your waist. So you choose the right size.
How about weather? In what weather conditions is it ideal?
So this is ideally for warm weather.
But would it work on rains? In rains? Would it be water? Would it protect? I mean, it's okay to wear in rains?
Yeah, it's okay to wear in rains. Definitely. So these come with a foam padding inside to protect your private area. And these foam padding will help you go the distance on the saddle.
Excellent. So now I want to ask you about bottle holders. Also, what options do we have? Do you have bottles?
Yeah. So we have
bottle holders or bottle cage, as you say.
Bottle cage. This is our most basic one for $199. It's a two-piece aluminium bottle cage holder. Okay. And these ones mostly go on all cycles. A bottle cage mount on all cycles is
the standard.
Standard. So these will go on any cycle you have.
Right. I also want to talk about one thing is that this is an adapter available.
This is an adapter for either your handlebar or for your saddle post. So these can either go here,
right,
or
here, and then you can connect your
and then you can attach
cage.
a bottle cage to the screws over here.
Right. The bottle options are available in plenty of choices again. as you can see.
So these are our basic bottles here, or what we call as sippers. So some of them have a lid that you can open and drink straight out of, and the others are, this one's a sipper.
Again,
And now since we have an offer going on, one for $2.99 and two for $4.99, so
perfect time to go come
perfect time,
shopping.
yeah. And also if you want to keep your water cool or your
So this is like a
electrolytes cool,
thermos,
yeah.
a thermos
A
as
thermos, yeah.
well as a bottle. Excellent.
Yeah.
And these will fit in any cage?
any gauge. Any
Excellent.
gauge. And these are the metal ones, the flasks.
Yeah, so people who are conscious about plastic.
Yeah, exactly. So these are ideal.
Okay. Wow. What do you have for someone who's worried about, a cycle, who they want a compact cycle they can carry with them on travel, or perhaps someone who's commuting but wants to keep his cycle safe?
So at Decathlon we have the B-Twin Tilt, which is a folding bike from B-Twin. Let me just show you where it is.
So you have your folding pedals also there. So tell me about this.
So the B-Twin Tilt is an ideal bike for commuting. If you're traveling on trains, you have to switch trains. You can fold and unfold this bike in 30 seconds. Very lightweight, just about 5.5 kilos, and you can carry this in one arm and it's unfolded. It's got 6 gears at the back. It's got one big 52-tooth chain ring in the front.
Excellent. So it's got it's quite comfortable to even ride because of the gears.
Yeah.
And being compact, it's amazingly compact cycle.
Very compact. It's got 20-inch wheels, very sturdy.
It can get into any of the car, in any of your cars.
It'll get into any car. It'll
You
get
can-
into a rickshaw as well.
Oh, that is good news.
Yeah.
So it can carry you. You can, even if you get a little tired traveling somewhere, you just put it in your rickshaw and
Just
cabin.
fold it, 30 seconds, hail a rickshaw, and then
You're done.
you're off.
So this is good for example, I'm traveling to some vacation spot where I know I would love to cycle.
Yeah,
So I
sure.
know that I can just take this along with me. Would this be this is a recommended cycle that can travel in
The most
airlines?
recommended cycle, yeah.
Yes, excellent.
This is ideal.
And what is the
Ideal.
price range on this cycle?
So this one is 18,000 only for the bike.
Then the basic accessories like stand and all is included.
Stand comes with the cycle.
Right.
Yeah. The other accessories you have to purchase separately.
Even the mudguards included, right?
Oh, even the mudguards come with this.
So good. This is a very good to. It's a good to go.
Good to go. Yeah, you can ride it straight out of the store.
Yeah, you can ride it straight out of the store. You wouldn't have to worry. Bell also comes along with it.
Mudguards, stand, and this stand.
Understand. So basically, this is a ready-to-ride cycle. There's no additional.
If you want, you can put seat covers.
Yeah.
More comfortable.
Correct.
Or
Correct.
it's up to you. You can put water bottle handle clamp, and you can put water handle.
Right. You can put your bottle cage here. This would require, as we said, the adapter.
Adapter, yeah.
The adapter would
That's
go
right.
here. This is the right place to put the
Comes
adapter.
along with two colors.
Two and the red. The both colors are
And the
beautiful.
Chilles blue.
Celeste blue, and we have an excellent red. So
So now we're entering the cycling section for kids. We have a different range of cycles for kids, ranging from 2 years all the way to 12 years. These cycles here, the 24-inch Rock Rider 100s, are for 8 to 12 years of age. They have sturdy tires, single speed, an aluminium frame,
for age group, what would you say?
8 to 12 years.
8 to 12 years.
And then we have the Rock Rider SB100 Junior, which is for 6 to 8 years of age, for a child of, say about 4 feet 4 inches to 3.5 3 feet 9 inches.
3 feet 9.
So that would be ideal for a learner at 6 years of age. And then we have the baby cycle, from 2 years all the way to say 4 years. And all these cycles, you've got to purchase the accessories separately. So if you want to buy support wheels, we have support wheels here as well, depending on what cycle you want to buy. So these will go for 16-inch wheels, the smaller ones. And then the 20-inch wheels or 24-inch wheels, which will go for the Rock Rider ST100. So for kids cycles, the most important thing is when they're learning is that
you need your wheels, yeah.
They need support wheels, and obviously when they're starting off at such an early age,
Helmets is mandatory.
It's mandatory.
Let's review one thing very clearly. Adults, you can take a choice. It's your own safety that you have to decide. Kids, do not compromise.
Don't compromise. Yeah.
Never compromise.
Never compromise on kids' safety. So helmets are a must. We have a selection of colors and
Beautiful
types of
colors.
helmet, yeah.
Get them. You want to get them on cycling? Show them the colors.
Yeah. That's right. And we also have knee pads,
yes.
and elbow pads.
It's a kit. It's a set, right?
Yeah, that's a set. And we have handlebar bottle cages.
Okay, so this doesn't require another separate.
No. So
Yeah.
this one just goes on to the handlebar
Directly.
with this hook here.
Right. We have your front
Front baskets
baskets.
and the bells.
Cute as hell bells.
Yeah.
Your
And
mudguards. And what are these?
for baby cycles.
Baby cycles.
Uh,
Okay,
bells.
if you are prone to noise, I think you should make sure that they do, use these outside. And you have your
seat cushions.
seat cushions.
The
Yeah.
same memory foam.
Right.
And mudguards and side stands or kick stands that they.
So you have a good choice of kid cycle too. A full range.
Yeah, yeah.
I would suggest.
A big range, yeah.
Excellent. Thanks so much. सिंपल एक बात कर सकते हैं कि अब आप सोचते हैं कि लोग सोचते हैं कि भाई साइकिलिंग बहुत एक्सपेंसिव स्पोर्ट है, भाई साइकिल भी आजकल कितनी महंगी आती है, हेलमेट महंगे आते हैं, ग्लव्स महंगे आते हैं, तो आप बोल सकते हैं कि आज ज़माने में साइकिलिंग इज डिफिकल्ट, इज एक्सपेंसिव स्पोर्ट.
Cycling is an expensive sport, but if you want to have the leisure, the fun, and the freedom of riding a cycle, the accessories that you buy with it are an
You get a
investment.
range, so you can start at 15,000. I would say you can start at 15,000 and go onward. So you don't have to have a very large wallet to be able to get into cycling.
So if you're new to cycling and if you just want to start, then it's very affordable.
What
And then
about
later,
how's the response in COVID these days?
cycling has taken up. How do you say? It's been a blockbuster hit amongst many people.
I've noticed stock doesn't remain too long.
That's true. I think that's global.
Yeah,
Everyone
But
has.
India is still somewhere. अभी आप इतना नहीं सोच रहे थे कि भाई लोगों इतना जल्दी साइकिलिंग पे पिकअप कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मैं जब डीकैथलॉन विजिट किया था after the lockdown, there was not a single cycle in the store. Everything was out of stock. That explained it that what people realized that why health-wise, even commute-wise. I want to tell you a simple thing. We have a lockdown. This is the December 2020, and the police has a curfew in the night. I stopped over to ask a cop कि उसे पूछा कि भाई आज कर्फ्यू है, लेकिन अगर मैं रात को 11 बजे बाद मैं अकेला साइकिल पे चला रहा हूँ तो he said no, of course, please go ahead, आपको allowed है. So that means basically show that cycle is the best commute
Yeah.
if you don't want to be stuck at home.
Exactly, and cycling, I think it's very important to know why cycling has been taken up by so many people during the pandemic. Is because cycling in itself is a socially distanced sport.
Okay.
Even when you're riding in a group, you're not riding so close to each other. You always keep a distance.
Correct.
Even when you're alone, you're far away from so many people. So cycling in itself is a socially distanced sport, and I think people have just taken it upon themselves to be healthy, and cycling is the best way to do that, I think.
So thank you very much for your
You're
time.
most welcome.
Do visit this store. I'll put the address in the link below, and we'll just take a quick tour of this Decathlon full store. Thank you so much. See you soon. Till then, have a look at the full store.